get on our website. It's pineapplemaui.com. It's there on the box. We deliver pineapple through FedEx to anywhere in the US. So we got you. Otherwise, just come up and see me. I'd love to give you more pineapple, right? Otherwise, guys, the fields are beautiful. We've got great views. Sit back, relax, enjoy the day. Sound good?
Yeah.
Ready to get out of here? Let's do it. Let's spin around to the driver's side. So, we are currently in the little town of Hawaii, Maui, often mispronounced and called Haile Maui. Nobody did that today, though, I'm sure, right? I do it all the time, it's okay. But Hawaii means blanket or covering. Maile is a fragrant vine native to this area, used to make some of our beautiful Hawaiian lace. Now, the town of Hawaii, Maui started out as a plantation town. Right smack in front of us is the general store. Opened up in the early 1930s to serve the workers in the field. Today, though, it's a delicious restaurant. I know a lot of you guys are going to have lunch there today after the tour, so you'll definitely enjoy it. So we're going to get on down the road. One of my favorite things about Hawaii, Maui, besides pineapple, of course, over here on our left-hand side, you'll notice there's a big park, and then right afterwards, there's a neighborhood up here. Now, Hawaii, Maui is one of those towns, if you drive too fast or blink your eyes, you'll miss it. But this neighborhood, the plantation, back in the day, separated the land, gave it to their workers. They wanted them to be able to build homes here. To this day, there's over 200 homes, and also 50 different languages spoken still, making it the most diverse neighborhood per capita keyword in the U.S. still today. It's pretty cool, I think, for this little town, because as we turn down and go through this little gulch here, that's it, that's all. You guys have seen all of Hawaii, Maui. Know all about it. But that's okay, because we're here to learn about pineapples. You guys are going to be experts of something today. And that's the beginning of my tour. I always like to make sure that we're all on the same page, because oftentimes people in the beginning think that pineapples maybe grow on trees or in a bush or in the ground like a potato. All those are really creative, but none of them are true. Pineapples, they actually grow on a plant on the ground, and on that plant the fruit grows on a stalk, but around here we don't call it a stalk at all. We actually call it a peduncle. To be honest, I don't know why we call it a peduncle, but I think it's just because it's more fun to say. So peduncle it is. Right. Any guesses, wild guesses encouraged, as to how many years it takes to grow one pineapple? I gave you a clue there. How long does it take to grow a pineapple? Any guesses? Say it loud. 3 years, 1 year. You guys are, it's right smack in the middle of that. It takes anywhere from 18 to 24 months to grow one pineapple. Up to 2 years to grow one fruit. That's pretty insane, right? That's a long time. So, on one plant, after that first pineapple is harvested after up to 2 years, 1 year later, another fruit can grow on that same plant. And actually, one plant can continue to produce fruit year after year after year, but every time a fruit grows on that plant, it gets a little bit smaller and a little bit sweeter, which sounds perfect, right? But it actually starts to lose that pineapple flavor that we all know and love. So what this company does, we harvest that first pineapple, and then we harvest that second generation pineapple, and then we go in, we plow up the field, and we let it set fallow for about a year. Sitting fallow just simply means that we let the grasses, the weeds, everything grow in, and this helps rebalance the nutrients in the soil. About a year later, we'll go in, test the soil, make sure it's ready to grow pineapple again. So another thing about pineapple, now showed up here in the Hawaiian Islands as early as the 1800s, but it was actually first discovered in the jungles of Brazil and Paraguay, migrating up through Central America where they called it nana, which means fresh, fragrant fruit. After that, a gentleman by the name of Chris Columbus came along, fell in love with the pineapple, because everybody does, right? But actually, he needed it badly for the people on his ship. Why do you guys think he might have needed it?
Scurvy.
Scurvy, right on. You guys are so smart. Definitely, so scurvy because of the vitamin C, right? Because pineapple has more than 3 times the amount of vitamin C as an orange, so helps to boost immunity. Other benefits include helps with joint pain, aids in digestion, helps keep our heart healthy, decreases allergies, asthma, and my personal favorite, because I just turned 40, helps with skin and wrinkles, right? Bring on the pineapple. All kinds of benefits. So, let's see. Now, our roads are definitely dry compared to yesterday, but I'm going to let you know there might be a time or two where I've got to put that reverse into gear and back out of here just to keep us as safe as possible, but looking pretty good. So we're going to head over first to our freshly planted. If you look at this field over here, we just harvested the first and then the second generation, and then plowed it up. That'll be a fallow field for the next year at least. And on our left side, of course, we got some full-grown pineapples. You guys get a sneak peek. But we're going to go down to our freshly planted first. Let's check those guys out. All right. So, in our field, whenever they decide that it's time to plant again, they'll go through and work the soil right after it's set fallow. They'll go round and round using different plows, different sized discs. They want the soil to be just perfect. They want it to be about 2 feet deep of well-draining soil, very fine, right? So after that, they'll go through and we have a machine, piece of equipment that's called the mulcher. That mulcher will go through and it does 3 things all at the same time. First thing it does is it makes the straight rows and valleys, right, to get the soil ready for planting. Second thing, it lays down a drip irrigation line right on top of that row. And then third and final, it lays down a black material, a black carbon mulch, and that mulch keeps the soil warm, keeps it moist, and keeps the weeds out of the root system. So after that mulcher, and you're going to see freshly planted coming right up in front of us, and they're going to be on our left-hand side. So that mulcher does those 3 things all at the same time. There we go. There's a little mud right in the middle. And then after that, we have a truck that's called the seed shooter. So this seed shooter truck, it looks like a garbage truck, to be honest with you. It has big tall sides and a big open in the back. That'll be filled with seeds, and that truck has an arm that sticks out of the side behind the driver's door. It'll literally drive around the field, blanketing the field with seeds. So the whole field will just be covered with seeds, no rhyme or reason, not in the dirt yet. So after the the seed shooter does that, we have 6 people that come through and plant by hand every single pineapple that you're going to see today, right? But we're going to hop out. The ground is pretty dry, but just be careful as you're getting out. We're going to get out. We're going to talk more about the seeds and what I mean by that. We're going to talk about those crazy 6 planters. And yeah, I have some fun props for us. So go ahead.
you can take each and every leaf out of the crown. There we go. This is a seed. This will grow one pineapple. Plant this baby halfway down. It's one seed. It'll produce one pineapple. Now it does take a little bit longer. It takes about 2 months longer. But seriously, what's 2 more months when you tack it on the end of 2 years, right? No biggie. We do not do this. Reason being, you guys are going to see we do enough stuff with it by hand around here. We're not going to do this. But if we were desperate for seed, we absolutely could. You at home could do this, right? Could do if you need an experiment at school or whatever. 2 years plus, there you go. You're one paper for years to come. But anyway, so we don't do that. The whole crown planted together is a seed. It'll grow one pineapple. Okay? And then these little guys down here, the slips, each peduncle grows anywhere from 1 to 6 of those. Those guys are seeds. They'll each grow a pineapple. So, most of our fields are slip fields with these guys, right? Because the crowns go to the grocery store with the fruit. We just have more of these. And also, these have about a 90% success rate, whereas a crown only has 75. But the deal with that, if you can get a crown, if you got 75% and that guy's growing and doing good, you'll have a bigger, stronger plant. So we use some of these crowns, but mostly we use slips. Okay? So the fields on either side, these were planted about 2 weeks ago, right? And you guys can see what I was saying about that mulching, right? It makes the rows and the valleys to make it easy for planting. Drip irrigation line right down the middle of that hump or row. Workers are going to walk down that aisle, walk down that valley harvesting. They simply grab the pine by the crown, snap it right off the peduncle, move on to the next. You're up, this is you. So this is what it'll look like after the fruit's gone. If you kind of tilt it that way, you can see kind of, that's where the fruit was, here in the middle. So about a month after we harvest the fruit, we let these guys grow out big and long and green and beautiful because that's what we use for our seeds, right? And a month later, they'll go back through and harvest these slips. So when they harvest the slips, they simply just break them right off the peduncle, snaps right off, and then we leave them up in the plant. Because if we were to take these guys off today and put them in the ground, they're a little too green, they don't have to be blown, right? So we let them dry out for at least 2 weeks, and then they'll go back through the field and pick them up off the top of the plant. That's what goes in the back of the seed shooter. So what you have right now, perfectly good, healthy seed. You see how dry it is, brown, looks kind of dead. Looks kind of like the plants I have at home. Right? But so whenever I talk about that seed shooter, that truck that looks like a garbage truck, that's what's flying through the air, right? Halfway across the field. But it's kind of funny because when we first talk about people, we often think it's like a teeny tiny little seed. There's a mark there. Stick it through, drop in a seed, and move on to the next. So the whole time they're planting, they're picking up seeds. They're also be throwing the extras ahead and to the side, right? Oh, these planted by hand. That's insane, right? That's crazy. So each plant is in there 9 inches apart, and then our fields from road to road, you guys can see road to road, are 90 feet across. Okay, and then if you look, there's a blue flag here. Every once in a while, in the middle, there's a blue flag. If you look behind you, there's a flag there, and then right on top, you can see the other flag. Those flags go all the way down. So in between, from flag to flag, that represents 5,400 planted pineapples. Holy, that's a lot. So these 6 guys, if they plant 6,000 seeds a day, meaning a seed like this, right? Boss is happy. But these guys don't put in the ground 6,000, they put in like 8 to 10,000 seeds, right? Everything they put in the ground over that 6
right. So, perfect growing conditions for pineapple. They actually grow best in between 25 degrees north and 25 degrees south of the equator. Here in Hawaii, we're sitting at about 20 degrees north. They like the daytime temps to be between 70 and 90, not to fall below 40 at night or 50 at night. To feed well-draining soil, about a gallon of water a week, so not too much compared to other crops, but we do have a lot of pineapple. And abundant sunshine. So you guys all come from that perfect pineapple growing weather, right? No, maybe not. So there is still hope for you, even if you don't live in perfect pineapple growing weather. My husband and I actually had friends come visit us last May, I think, and they literally just last week sent me a picture of their 2 pineapples growing in Hawaii, or Maui, Oklahoma. That's what I'm saying. So it can be done in Oklahoma. Come on. So you just might, in those extreme highs and low temperature, bring your baby inside, right? Keep it in the sun. Keep it in as much sun as possible. But it can be done. So you guys try it out. Get on our website. There's some tips and tricks of how to grow pineapple, no matter where you're at on this planet. But otherwise, our babies, we're getting close to the nursery. At about 15 to 18 months, a little red bud appears at the end of the peduncle. About a month and a half later, a month and a half later, that pineapple will grow up, start taking on that pineapple shape, but something really unexpected. Something pretty cool, unexpected will happen, but I'm not going to tell you what it is. I just want you guys to go and check it out for yourselves, right? I'm going to back this around here. Aww. No, but something pretty unexpected, pretty special happened. So I want you guys, whenever you get out, to check them out. Now, whenever you hop on the bus or off the bus, the ones on our left side are a little bit smaller than the ones over here on the right. So I want you guys to look at these guys actually first, and then we'll see the difference between the guys over here. So look at the left side. See if you can figure out what I'm talking about. Go see our cute babies. You'll meet you there.